Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create AI avatar or arts on Lensa. Keep watching the video till the end. To create AI arts on Lensa, firstly go ahead and open up your Lensa application. The home page of Lensa application will appear on the screen. Click on Magic Avatars option at the bottom of the page and tap on Try Now. Choose an option for generating avatars. Now select the styles for your avatars from the given options and tap on it. After selecting your avatar styles, click on Continue at the bottom of the screen. Tick mark on the circle to confirm your age and tap on Continue. Tap on Select 10 to 20 selfies and allow Lensa to send you notifications if you want to by tapping on Allow, or else click on Don't Allow. Allow Lensa to access your photos and videos from your device by clicking on Allow. Select your 10 to 20 photos from your gallery and tap on Import. Now, to create avatars, choose your payment option and number of avatars you want from 50 to 200 avatars ranging from $3.99 to $7.99 and click on Purchase. After you pay for it, you will be able to create your AI avatars on Lensa in no time. This is how you can create AI avatars or art on Lensa application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.